Have you ever understood English perfectly, but when it was your turn to speak, your mind suddenly went blank? You knew the words, you understood the sentence, but you just could not speak. If that sounds like you, then this lesson is exactly what you need. Welcome to Unlock English Podcast. My name is Alex, and today I am going to help you speak English with confidence. In this lesson, I will give you 200 real English sentences that you can actually use in your daily life. These are not textbook sentences. These are real sentences that people use every single day. So relax, take a deep breath, and repeat after me. Let's begin. I wake up early every morning. I usually drink a cup of coffee. I am getting ready for work. I am running a little late today. I need a few more minutes. I will call you later. I am on my way. I just got home. I am feeling a little tired today. I need some rest. Now repeat them again with confidence. How are you doing today? I am doing well, thank you. What are you doing right now? I am just relaxing at home. That sounds like a good idea. I totally agree with you. I understand what you mean. Can you please repeat that? I did not catch that. Could you speak a little slower? Speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about communicating clearly. I will send you the email today. Let me check and get back to you. I am working on it. I need more information. That makes sense to me. I will handle this task. Can we schedule a meeting? I appreciate your help. Thank you for your time. I will do my best. Imagine yourself speaking confidently at work. I am really happy today. I feel a little nervous. I am excited about this opportunity. I am worried about the results. I am proud of myself. I need some time to think. I am not sure about that. That makes me feel better. I understand how you feel. Everything will be okay. English is not only grammar, English is emotion. How much does this cost? Can I pay by card? I would like to order this. Can you help me, please? Where is the nearest station? I am looking for this address. Could you show me the way? I need a receipt. I am just looking, thank you. That is exactly what I need. If you are still practicing with me, that means you are serious about improving your English. Write in the comments, I am improving every day with Unlock English Podcast. I am improving every day. I am not afraid to speak. Mistakes help me grow. I am learning from every conversation. I am becoming more fluent. I trust myself. I can do this. I will not give up. I am proud of my progress. I am ready to speak English. You do not need perfect grammar to speak English. You need courage, you need practice, and you need the right sentences. And now you have them. Thank you for practicing with me here at Unlock English Podcast. My name is Alex. Keep practicing every day. Stay confident, and I will see you in the next lesson.